Hi guys, good morning. I just stepped out to get some things from the store today. I got this bath cream. It actually smells so good, that's why I got it. I also got cling film. I got a new hand wash. I got Colgate. Okay, I need to start arranging this. I got air freshener. This air wick is called Vanilla Bean. So nice. I think I should put this in like the bathroom. I got the pink stuff. I've been seeing it everywhere. I also got this as well. I think it's gonna help me clean. I need to make my cleaning faster. I got water. I also got this candle. I went to M&S and I saw this beautiful one. Oh my days. This smells so good. These two candles are going to be so nice for my bedroom when I'm officially done with it. I also got this for my toilet. New toothbrush. I believe you're supposed to change your toothbrush every month, every 2 months, every 3 months. I have no idea, but you're definitely supposed to change that. I also got these flowers from Primark. Okay, just give me a minute. Oh my gosh, these flowers that Doreen gave me, they are dead now. I actually love them, you know. I'm actually like, this color is nice. Yes, it is. So I'm going to put these flowers in here. No! Look at! Like, they are very long.
Let's bring the bottom.
That makes sense. Yeah, I think it looks cute. Let me show you guys. Look at it. You guys, can you see this stuff? This is stuff I need to paint. But yes, this is how it looks. Cute. What else did I get? I also got hangers from Primark. 3 of them. I got a new rug. Isn't it beautiful? I also saw like this flower plants at Primark. You guys, I wanted to get it so bad. After deep contemplation, I just thought that it was just so much for me to carry. This is the design. It's just so beautiful.
One hour later.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah. We're almost there, I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed, take me there. We can drive away. Oh yeah. a gentle breeze. The night's got a fever to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night.
So guys, I am actually done with the living room area. So if you can see the kitchen area, it's kind of blurry. I'm not done painting the kitchen area. I didn't paint the whole house. I'm just painting like little marks on the wall. It's already dark, it's nighttime, and I can't really see what I'm painting, so I'm just going to wait for tomorrow morning. Look at paint on my face, on my days. This is how my living area looks. Yes. I got this candle. I think I showed you guys earlier. I got this candle from Primark. Actually so good, and I love like the effects of everything going on here and the rug. I'm so happy about this purchase. Also the mirror, oh my gosh, I'm so happy about this mirror. I have my stand currently because I've been working up and down, so I had to use this tripod stand rather than the shorter one. I still have a lot to do concerning this area. I'm still working on this area, and when I'm done I'm going to show you guys. What I'm going to do now is basically I have some clothes that I would like to give out. Before now I've been keeping like stuff aside clothes that I don't need, so just in case, like for a period like this, that I need to actually give out the clothes I have, because it's just taking up space in the house and I don't like it.
I'm so lit, you're just it, you're all I want. Kicking back for a minute, when I can't keep my cool, come get it. Let's turn lights out, play fight now. Oh, oh, you went and took it to the floor.
The next day.
Hi guys, it's a new day. This is the clothes rack I got. I moved it from that area to this area, and I think that it's better there. I do not think I should put more stuff on it because can you see what's going on? It's like it's bending. I think I should take out this pink so like it blends in more, but I don't necessarily have to do that. I got this as well. This is how this is going to look. The candles I have, I've kept them here. finally done with painting. Look at my hand. So I repainted this area, I repainted that area, I repainted this area as well, and this area and this area.
Everything, you know it. King already, you know it. Shine already, time already, shine already, time already, shine already, time already, shine already.